you left the door open?
My bad. Nice.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, man, what were you like when you were younger, Bogart?
Well... Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, yo, Jesus! What do you want to do?
Yo, I'm thirsty.
Alright, let's go get some potions, bruh.
Let's do it.
Wait till you get in the car.
Please tell me you got that.
Yeah, don't
sticking the door,
don't edit my car, please.
Dude, no, I didn't close it on it.
Okay. Are you still filming?
Jesus, you gonna take us there?
I know this perfect wine that's in here, you know, but it's just like, it's also a healing potion, so...
Gotcha.
It's all a seed. It's all Thank you.
Yeah, so, young Jesus, what you been up to in the wizarding world?
Man, I picked up some of the new scrolls from the Calls of Winterhold. It's pretty sick.
Yeah, what kind you get?
I got some Blizzard. I got some Fire Rune, you know, but it just cost me a lot of gold and a lot of time training with the mages.
I got you, you know. Gotta get that beard a little longer here, man.
Man, how you got that beard so long, man?
Years of practice. Years of intense training. The more I train, the longer it gets, gotta say.
Man, I want to be just like you one day,
Oh.
Bogart.
I know you do, Jesus, but, you know, I think that you have a purpose beyond all of us. A bigger purpose.
What you mean?
I just think that you'll grow up to be someone that everyone will know the name of. That's all I'm saying.
Thanks, Bogart.
Yeah, no problem.
What are you specialized in?
Specialize in the restoration spells. A lot of healing.
Yeah. Got any stories about that one?
There was a man by the name of Lazarus. He was just, he was a great man, and then out of nowhere he just died, and I took out...
Except on ice cream.
Yeah, something like that. And then, I used my restoration skills to just bring him back, and that's just what it was.
Hey, check it out. Necromancy,
Well, that could help. That could level up more of my restoration, I guess.
Dude. Oh my god. 12,000 septums.
What has happened to the order now that the Stormcloaks took over? You know what I'm saying?
So, dude, now that the High King is dead, you could totally be king. You know what I'm saying?
Like, what kind of king? Just like the king, or like what are you talking?
Yeah, just like another king, you know?
Well, I mean, first I gotta get out of high school. I mean, like, I gotta get my GED.
Yeah.
I gotta get my massive robes. Gotta get my spells.
Yeah, maybe more than the king. I don't know.
What are you talking? I don't know what you're talking
Dude,
about. I just go from.
I am Bogart the Immortal. What do you have on me?
I just go from village to village, just spreading my news of what I think is good. You know?
I dig it.
Having these weird visions lately. You know? I have to cut that part out. I didn't use Jesus.
So, dude, I mean, you got the restoration, you got the raise the dead, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
You know, I just think that makes some sort of a substantial difference in this world. You know what I'm saying? Hey, can you go get me that wizard digest?
Yeah. What are you talking about, man? I don't know what you're talking about. Like what am I meant to do?
Just that's not what I asked for, but that's close enough.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just like I really have no idea. I have no idea what I'm talking
Now that I've just moved out of my parents' house, I just feel like someone's talking to me, but I just don't know.
Like a larger person's talking
Like
to you.
I feel like it's my dad, but my dad just, I don't think it's him at the same time. I think it's him, and then I don't think it's him at the same time.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just you have this need to help people. You know what I'm saying?
Then I just tell everyone, I spread my rap songs everywhere. You know, I just go town to town, just playing my mixtapes, and they like it sometimes, and then some people just really hate it. You know?
Yeah, I get that. But you know, haters gonna hate.
That's right. That's right.
All right.
Let's get out of here. All right. Hey, why doesn't that guy talk the whole time?
Oh yeah, Leninard. Yeah, I was messing around and I casted a muffle spell on him, and yeah, he can't talk. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait a minute. I think it's wearing off.